Avoiding honey may be necessary for individuals with certain health conditions or concerns. While honey is often considered a natural and healthy sweetener, it can pose risks for some people due to its high sugar content and potential for contamination. Here, we will explore various health conditions and situations where it may be advisable to avoid honey, as well as alternative sweeteners and precautions that can be taken. It's important to note that this information is not a substitute for medical advice, and individuals should consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to their diet. 1. Diabetes. People with diabetes need to manage their blood sugar levels carefully, and honey, like other sweeteners, can cause spikes in blood sugar. 1. While honey has a lower glycemic index than table sugar, it can still affect blood glucose levels. 1. It's best for those with diabetes to limit their intake of honey and other sweeteners and to monitor their blood sugar closely. 2. Infants. Honey should not be given to infants under 1 year of age. This is because honey can contain spores of Clostridium botulinum, a bacterium that can produce a toxin in a baby's immature digestive system, leading to infant botulism, a rare but serious illness. 3. Allergies. Honey is a common allergen, and some individuals may experience allergic reactions to it. Symptoms of a honey allergy can include hives, itching, swelling, and in severe cases, anaphylaxis. People with a known allergy to bee pollen or other bee products may be more likely to be allergic to honey and should avoid it. 4. Fructose malabsorption. Some people have difficulty absorbing fructose, a natural sugar found in honey. Consuming honey can lead to gastrointestinal symptoms such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea in individuals with fructose malabsorption. These individuals may need to limit their intake of honey and other high fructose foods. 5. Weight management. Honey is high in calories and sugar, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Individuals trying to manage their weight may need to limit their intake of honey and other sweeteners and focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 6. Dental health. Like other sweeteners, honey can contribute to tooth decay and cavities if consumed frequently and not followed by proper oral hygiene practices. Individuals concerned about their dental health should limit their intake of honey and other sugary foods and beverages. 7. Contamination risk. Honey can be contaminated with bacteria, including Clostridium botulinum, as mentioned earlier. To reduce the risk of contamination, it's important to purchase honey from reputable sources, store it properly, and avoid giving honey to infants. 8. Alternative sweeteners. For those who need to avoid honey, there are several alternative sweeteners available. These include stevia, erythritol, xylitol, and monk fruit extract. These sweeteners can be used in moderation as part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, while honey can be a natural and healthy sweetener for many people, there are certain situations where it may be advisable to avoid it. People with diabetes, infants under 1 year of age, allergies to honey or bee products, fructose malabsorption, weight management concerns, dental health issues, or those seeking to reduce the risk of contamination should consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on whether to include honey in their diet.